What up, everyone? Crypto Marxist, aka Bone Army, coming at you. If you like the Shiba Inu ecosystem, Shib, Leash, Bone, Tree, She, the Shiboshis, and the rest of the partnerships, you're in the right place. This video right here is about Bad Idea, the official AI partner with the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Okay, so if you don't know what Bad Idea is, I'm gonna give you a little background. We're gonna go ahead and check out the chart, and then we're gonna leave on a positive note because there is some technical analysis that shows that Bad Idea is prepped to potentially explode to all-time highs. With that said, if you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that sub, leave a comment, hit the like, help me with the algorithm, and of course, bell it up because some of my stuff is time sensitive and urgent. And that way you can be notified when I drop content and when I go live. With that said, let's go ahead and get into it. Bad idea. What is bad idea? Well, it's an acronym, okay? The BAD. The B is for blockchain. The A is for artificial intelligence, and the D is for decentralized autonomous organization. A bad idea. I love the name. I love the play on words. I love how memeable it is. I love how the team continues to just develop different types of partnerships that are going to allow this token to absolutely explode and take, honestly, this token to a whole nother level. Okay. So, with that said, let's see what they say about it. It says, will artificial intelligence overtake humanity? Not if we have anything to say about it. Instead, they'll work for us. But that might be a bad idea. I love the play on words. They also have a fund. Okay. They have a fund in their white paper and that they've already allocated some portion of the tokens to. So one of the funds is for humanity. Okay, that's what it's called, Humanity's Fund, right? The another one is for the blockchain. Another one is for the DAO, and another one is for AI. So I like that they've planned ahead. They're telling you what they're trying to accomplish, but at the same time, they're not selling those bags. They're actually allowing those bags to increase in value. Right now, sitting at over $1 million. And it also gives them the opportunity to develop further utilities without having to run out of money. They have the marketing budget. I mean, the whole project is by far one of the most professional projects I have ever witnessed in the crypto space, and that's saying a lot because I've gone through hundreds of projects. With that said, let's go ahead and check out what they're saying. So their first initiative, and this is right around the corner. That's why I'm touching on this. Then we're gonna go ahead and check the chart. Then we're gonna check the technical analysis. So it says, you know it, artificial intelligence is here to stay. Humanity must use blockchain and decentralized autonomous organizations to ensure they have our best interest at heart. To ensure this becomes the case, we've begun working on the Consortium of Artificial Intelligence for Humanity's Advancement, or as we call it, the Best Case Scenario Group, quote unquote. As relatively long-time AI users and thought leaders in the blockchain space, we're dedicated to assist in the Konaiha protocol, ensuring that it powers our collective future. That is, if you're also going to help, we are decentralized. Remember? So I love the whole theme, the whole aura behind this is honestly just very encouraging, very bullish. I mean, if you want more, go to their website, check out their articles because they have a couple articles here. If you want more, go to their Twitter. They have so many different articles, and on top of that, they have a lot of influencers. In fact, the tech analysis I'm going to give you guys after this one, because the tech I'm going to give you guys might be a little more conservative. So we're going to hit that one, and then we'll see what Rog Special, and I believe he changed his name to Special Shib, has to say. With that said, let's go ahead and see what Bad Ideas Vitals, as I like to call them, are looking like. So currently, Bad Idea is sitting at an actual market cap of 28.75 million, liquidity at $1.8 million, circulating supply 529 trillion. Bad Idea tokens, the holders, we broke 14,000. So congratulations, bad idea AI. That number was definitely daunting. It was staring at us and boom, smashed right through it, sitting at 14,220. We can even check the ether scan real quick just to see what the actual number is, just so I can give you the most up to date information and encouraging news. The price is not only up 4.80%, but the holders are actually up a tenth of a percent at 0.105%, sitting at 14,224 holders as of this recording. Let's go ahead and go back to this. So the total market cap, though, is at $45.15 million. All right. So that is definitely encouraging because it's almost at double. So if you have the market cap at, let's say, 28 million, the total market cap or diluted market cap is going to be at 45 million. What does that mean? Well, look at the circulating supply. The circulating supply down here rests at 63.69%. In other words, a lot of tokens are not in circulation. Okay, that is a positive and very bullish catalyst and price shock for a project. So the way they've been running this project, absolutely on par, by far one of the most bullish projects I'm involved in. Not telling you what to do, not financial advice, just telling you to do your own research, telling you what I do if I was you. I'm not telling you what to do. All right. With that said, let's go ahead and check out these circles. So, crypto Marxists, why do you have these circles here? Well, this is what the chart is telling me. Okay. So the chart is telling me, just based on this, the visual chart, the trend lines, which is, in my opinion, the most important analysis that you can do. Okay. Just like they say the trend is your friend. I don't care how bullish some of these indicators can tell you a project's going to be. Sometimes the project drops and it continues to drop because there just happens to be a sell off. So that's where the trends come in. Okay. Because you can't say, oh, it's going to continue, and the project continues to drop. That's just something to keep in mind. By the same token, if some of the indicators are saying there's a drop, but there's a huge influx and the volume continues to increase on the hourly, potentially that is um, a great entry point for you before the indicators flip. The one thing I will say is indicators are all lagging for the most part, except if you're checking like the Ichimoku cloud, which I guess predicts future and has 5 different indicators at the same time. Most indicators are lagging. So just keep that in mind. Okay. So right now I have this trend that I see. So I'm gonna give you the three. Well, there's 4 scenarios. One I think is unlikely though, but these are the three most likely scenarios. The one that most likely won't happen though is this thing just absolutely runs up. I don't see that as happening right now. What I do see though is potentially this bouncing here and going following this trend line. All right, so scenario A, boom, continues here and then actually slides into this next channel. That's what I see happening. Next is we can come over here and actually it'll continue above here and slowly just um, continue to probably the 50, maintain that range between the 5,000 level and the 56 level. All right, about the 56 level. That's B. And then C would be actually that it just goes sideways, which in my opinion, and goes a little low. Okay, goes a little low. Okay, basically starts to accumulate over here and then actually explodes up here. That's the most likely scenario that I see. Why is this over here? Oh yeah, this is supposed to be over here. This actually is where the current price is. So that's what this is right here. That could be there though. Here, let's do this. So I guess we'll just have these right here. So these are the likely points that I see. I do see it going down though. Even though this looks extremely bullish, there needs to be another catalyst for it to run up, but it could go up though. Okay, of course, not financial advice, just telling you guys how this chart is looking because you can see it just boom, it's very explosive, runs up and then balances out, runs up, balances out, actually dip. This was the play right here and then actually taking profit right here. and then waiting for another dip, most likely. But let's see what Rock Special said, okay, or what he's saying. Okay, he has way more analytical skills. His economic and chart reading skills have way more technical analysis, as he does resistant points and he does support lines and all that. While mine is more based on trends. So and there's so many different ways to look at it. In fact, let's just go back and see. Not trying to make this too long, guys, but I do want to see what we're working with. Let's see how this is looking. Okay. Ba, ba, ba. Yeah. So about 54 could okay, about 54. Okay. So yeah, about the same, honestly, from what I'm looking at. Okay, let's swing back. So this is what Rog said, or Special Shib, Force of Habit. Sorry, Rog, it's like Twitter. It's gonna be Twitter. I don't care how many times you call it. People call it X. All right. So it says, um, ticker bad has been consolidating in the range of 50s and 55s, has hit resistance 3 times. When the breakout occurs, this would have meant if you entered here at the current price at 96% profit from your initial risk tolerance, not to mention our next all-time high 25s range, could be a bad idea, AI. Or on the other hand, it can fetch you 200% profits in the long run or short term. Has been trending on Coinbase, Binance US, Crypto.com, DeFi wallet, and is also listed on Uniswap, SushiSwap, Poloniex, BitGet Global, Mexi Official, L Bank Exchange, ShibaSwap Dex, Bitmart Exchange. All these listings were earned by new and OG investors and chosen by the community very strategically to benefit holders across the globe. Hashtag bad idea. If you need official links, feel free to drop in and say hello in our Discord. We have some of the best moderators ready to answer questions, or you can run in some of your friends already there, or run into some of your friends already there. And this is actually the chart that he was showing right here. Okay, this is what goes with this. So here it is, ba 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 ba, and he's saying that this one, two, three. All right, but well, we'll see what plays out at the end of the day. You know what I mean? Bad idea AI. You know what I mean? It is one of those projects that is extremely bullish. If you want to read more about the potential, go to the website. Check out some of these when the token was launched. Okay, why it was a bold experiment. Talks about the AI, talks about blockchain, talks about the DAO, talks about how AI has a lot of times um, tried to prevent, or this one is trying to prevent what most likely seems like a dystopian future, which is what AI seems to predict a lot of times. Talks about ethical considerations. It talks about the role of AI in the NFT marketplace. In other words, there's so much to know about when it comes to this project. Absolutely one of the banger projects. If you don't know about it, go ahead and go to the Telegram. Check out some of the influencers, Special Sheep, aka Rock Special, Mr. Lightspeed, another absolutely fabulous source to get information. And of course, go to the website, go to the Discord, go to the Telegram of Bad Idea, ask questions there. What do you want to know? In fact, find out how you can talk to the chatbot. You can even ask the chatbot questions. This project is trying to uh, elicit not only um, future case scenarios, but it's actually trying to develop all types of utilities, including chatbots inside of Telegram, inside of Discord. Okay, trying to create validator nodes, which it successfully already did on unification, which is trying to accomplish on Shibarium, trying to do technological soirees or conferences. Okay, there's so much, as well as trying to follow the Shib paper, okay, which is really the initial rough draft of the constitution of the Shiba Inu Shiba state, okay, of the ecosystem, okay. So with that said, I go by Crypto Marxist, aka Bone Army. If you got any value from this, go ahead and hit that sub, hit that like, leave a comment. And of course, if you got any value from this, also hit that bell so you can be notified when I drop content. And like I like to say, I'm Bone Army, you're Bone Army, we are Bone Army, and I'm out. You want more videos, check them out right there. Don't forget to sub. Have a great Friday. Catch you later. Peace.